If you're seeing the Gamma app invite error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it fast, step by step. This is a super common issue when you've invited someone to your Gamma workspace, but the invite is stuck pending, the person can't access the presentation, or the sharing settings are blocking the link. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to resend the invite, switch to external link sharing, and verify your workspace permissions so everything works properly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's handle the most common fix, which is revoking the old invite and sending a fresh one. Start by opening your Gamma workspace and going to Workspace Settings. From there, click on Members. This is where you can see everyone who has been invited to the workspace. If you invited someone and their status is still pending, that usually means the original invitation didn't go through correctly, expired, or got lost. In that case, click Revoke Next to the pending invite. This removes the old invitation so you can start over with a clean one. After revoking it, send a fresh email invite to the same person again. A new invite link often solves the problem immediately, especially if the first email was ignored, expired, or the permissions were not accepted properly. Now, if your goal is not to add someone to the full workspace, but simply let them see or interact with one specific presentation, there's a much easier option. Instead of relying on workspace membership, use external link sharing. To do that, select the presentation you want to share, then click Share. In the sharing options, look for the link access settings. Change it to anyone with the link, and then choose whether they can view or edit, depending on what you need. If you only want them to read the presentation, choose Can View. If you want them to make changes, choose Can Edit. This is the best method when you want to avoid workspace tier restrictions, or when the person does not need full access to your Gamma account. It also helps fix invite-related errors, because the user can open the presentation directly, without waiting for a workspace invitation to be accepted. Next, if you're still having trouble, you need to verify your workspace sharing permissions. Go to Settings, then open Sharing and Provisions. This area controls how links and access behave inside your Gamma workspace. If the link access is set to No Access, that can block people from opening content even when you think the share link should work. Change it from No Access to Full Access, or adjust it to the level of access you actually want. Make sure the setting matches your goal. For example, if you want public viewing, use a more open permission. If you want only specific users to collaborate, use a more restricted setting. This step is important because many invite errors are not actually invite problems at all. They're permission problems. Once you've updated these settings, go back and test the invite or sharing link again. If you sent a workspace invite, ask the recipient to check their inbox and spam folder, then accept the newest email invite. If you used link sharing, open the link in a private browser window to confirm that it loads correctly and shows the right level of access. That way, you know the fix worked before moving on. So, to recap, if Gamma is giving you an invite error, first revoke any pending member invite and send a fresh email invite. Second, if you only need someone to access one presentation, switch to anyone with the link and choose View or Edit Access. Third, go into Settings, Sharing and Provisions, and make sure link access is not stuck on No Access. These 3 steps solve most Gamma invite and sharing issues in just a few minutes. If this video helped you fix the problem, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.